Hold fast to dreams, for if dreams die, life is a broken-winged bird that cannot fly. Langston Hughes, The American Dream. It's a beacon of hope, a promise of opportunity. It shines brightly, guiding those who seek a better life. It calls to people from all over the world. From distant lands and diverse backgrounds, they come with dreams in their hearts. You too are on this journey. With every step, you move closer to your aspirations. With hard work and belief, you lay the foundation for your future. Every effort, every sacrifice brings you nearer to your goals. You can achieve your dreams. Success is not just a destination, but a journey filled with perseverance and dedication. The journey may have challenges, but don't be discouraged. Keep your dreams alive. You are not alone. Together, we can overcome any obstacle. The path may be tough, but the rewards are within your reach. Believe in yourself, and the dream will become reality. The path to citizenship can be complex and often overwhelming. Many immigrants face a maze of paperwork, legal jargon, and strict deadlines that can be difficult to navigate. Paperwork, deadlines, and legal processes can be confusing. Sometimes there are setbacks. The stress of ensuring every detail is correct can be immense, and the fear of making a mistake can be paralyzing. You might receive a notice like the I-290B. This form indicates that your application has been denied, and it can be a daunting piece of news to receive. This notice signals a denial of your immigration application. This can be disheartening and may feel like a significant setback in your journey. The emotional toll of such news can be heavy, leaving you feeling lost and uncertain about the future. Remember, a setback is not the end, it is merely a part of the process. Every challenge faced is an opportunity to grow stronger and more resilient. It is a chance to learn and try again. Seek guidance from mentors, friends, and community resources. They can provide valuable insights and support to help you navigate the complexities of the process. With the right support, you can overcome these hurdles. Surround yourself with a supportive community that understands your journey. Together, you can face these challenges head-on and move closer to achieving your dreams. Navas Automation understands these challenges. They specialize in helping immigrants like you. Their expertise is in handling the I-290B Notice of Appeal or Motion. They know the complexities of the immigration system. Navas Automation is here to be your guide. They provide the support you need to navigate these difficult times. They will fight for your dreams alongside you. Section 4. Turning dreams into reality. A success story. Imagine this. A family receives an I-290B notice. They are devastated. Their hearts sink as they read the words on the paper, feeling the weight of uncertainty and fear. The future they had envisioned seems to crumble before their eyes. Their dreams seem out of reach. The once bright and hopeful path now appears dark and uncertain. They feel lost, unsure of where to turn or what steps to take next. But they don't give up. They find Navas Automation. With renewed determination, they seek out help, hoping for a glimmer of hope in their challenging journey. Navas Automation listens to their story. They understand their struggles. The team empathizes with their plight and offers a beacon of hope, assuring them that they are not alone in this battle. They work tirelessly on their appeal. The team meticulously reviews every detail, leaving no stone unturned. They pore over documents, strategize, and prepare a compelling case. Finally, the day arrives. The family's application is approved. The moment is surreal, filled with joy and relief. Their hard work and perseverance have paid off. Their dream is alive again. With newfound hope, they look forward to a brighter future, ready to embrace the opportunities that lie ahead. Their journey, though fraught with challenges, has led them to a place of renewed optimism and possibility. Section 5. Your journey, your advocate, personalized support every step of the way. Navas Automation offers more than just legal expertise. They offer personalized support. They listen to your story. They understand your unique situation. They are with you every step of the way. They answer your questions. They calm your fears. They are your advocates fighting for your future. Section 6. Take the next step towards your American dream. The American dream is within your reach. Don't let setbacks stop you. Believe in yourself and your dreams. Seek the support you deserve. Take the next step today. Visit navasautomation.com. Schedule a call. Let Navas Automation help you achieve your American dream.